Hi, if you are unable to register or program a new RFID card or a smartphone NFC transit card to your lock, I suggest you to factory reset the lock first. So how can we do that? We press the function button until there's a light on, and then tap your master user card to it. Now the knot is returned to factory setting, and in this state you can unlock it by any other card. And now I have to program a new MasterCard to the lock, and the first card that is registered to the lock is assigned to be the MasterCard. So we press the function button 3 times and then tap a card, and then this card is already set it to be the new MasterCard. Let's see. You can unlock it by this MasterCard, but you cannot unlock it by any other card. And please remember to take good care of your MasterCard, because you need this for any settings. So now I have my padlock, my master user card, and my digital transit card here. And then before the registration of the transit card, you can see that when you tap your phone to the lock, it shows a red light. And I'm going to show you how to register the transit card to the lock. So at first, you press the function button 3 times in a row, and then you can see a constant blue light, and then tap your MasterCard and start flashing, and then tap your phone. You can see a green light just flash once, which means it is successfully registered to the lock. Press it. See? You can successfully unlock it by your iPhone.